I'm the CEO of Water Lifts and Electrical Systems. Our brand is Shuzu Zinda Stroke Kani Elevators. Um, just just to be to give our clients and the customers um, some inside story. We have a test tower for our brand of elevators of 253 meters high. This test tower has a number of lifts installed in different positions of the tower. Um, we have the ones that are moving at 10 meters per second. That is one route from ground zero to the top floor at 10 meters per second. And then we have intermediary flows where we have those are moving at 5 meters per second, 4 meters per second, and we come down to 2.5 meters per second, and then we come down to usual 1 meter per second. So the test tower is in Shuzu, and Shuzu is in Shanghai. That's where our test tower is. That's where our main factory is, and that's where our test center is for our brand of elevators. So we have quite a number of those different speed levels. I'm going to show you videos when I'm inside the car. The cabin car operating panels have got um, capabilities of counting the speed of the car. In other words, the taco information is being displayed on the car operating panel. So the speed at which the car is moving is being seen on the car operating panel. So that's how you're able to see it while the car is moving. You're going to see all this displayed on the car operating panel indicator display for all the various speeds as I have indicated in my communication. So this is the head office of Zinda, and this is the reception of Zinda Elevators. It's partnership with Kani Elevators. So this is the headquarters of Zinda Elevators, a partner of Kani Elevators.
These areas producing machine.
Oh, machines.
Machine construction machine.
Okay.
那这个天桥上呢，它也有各种产品展示。像我们正对的那一台呢是斯敦的汽车机。
Oh, this is car elevator.
Oh, for carrying a car.
Yeah, traction.
Okay.
Structure.
Okay.
Bolted.
Okay. Yeah, that is for freight
Yes.
goods.
Yeah, goods lift.
咱们刚刚看的每一部轿厢呢，它的装潢设计都是从这边出来的。
You see here elevator
Decoration.
center.
Yeah, the guys here are very innovative there. Very, very innovative.
They design a lot of cabin.
Yes.
With patented.
Patented, yes.
Yeah.
然后 领导看到的这一幢玻璃大楼呢，就是我们技术研发中心。
This glass, this structure is R&D.
Okay. Research and development. R&D, yes.
那个食品的大刀中心现在就在这一幢楼的后边，大家好可以去体验一下。
喂，哦，你按门铃就行。
好，我们往右边下，这个黑色手把往上抬一。
So this is a manufacturing factory 1. Go down. The offices there. Manufacturing 2.
3.
Manufacturing 3. Come here. We've got a test center there. Test tower. Then you come down to office and other factories there. Then you come to another test tower, a shorter one, all the tower. This is the new tower.
这个井道南侧是21米，最高温度21米。它设计的时候
Okay, so this is 10 meters per second. Let's see.
拿一个回家。
这样的一个宝石啊，这样的一个宝石他们这不是南非的。
Yeah. Now it's going to 10, yes. 10 meters per second. We've reached very short distance, but the speed it makes it very short. The speed makes it very short. It is very long, but the speed makes it very short.
出去旅行，做梦。
Okay.
Grow up so fast.
So fast.
These 10 years, yes. 正好中国赶上各种追逐
视频不是，那是为啥？胶底的摄像头视频同步的。这个警报的视频电地形那边，对，就是你脚底下，就是它运行的情况。咱们是啥来下呀？下呀。
Now there's something that maybe I have to make a comment. The starting, you don't feel it. The landing, you don't feel it. You don't feel 5 meters per second.
Yes. 这么快呢？
Jesus
Here
Christ.
you can see the outside. It's the workshop.
Wow. And you don't feel the 5 meters per second because it is smooth. It is very smooth. Yeah.
感觉好像飞机起飞那会儿。
有一点的，高低差有一点的。天气不好，天气好了可以看得很远，有点雾霾。
对。
Okay.
24.5.
Height.
And the height is 200 and 13. Wow.
导数了，我那2个人我仲係手指漏掉。
So going high, still going high.
把你放在这里。
Going high. So that is the 253 meters high. Okay. Okay, thank you. So you can see the factory down there. From the top of the test center below is the factory and the surrounding area. That is the factory and the surrounding area. Projects going on down there. So I can see another highway.
Highway, yes, you are right.
Yes. Long
From
highway.
Shanghai to Ningbo.
Oh, hey, Shanghai to Ningbo. So you said this side is the Shanghai.
This side is Suzhou.
Suzhou.
Yeah, you see that train.
Yeah.
That is a faster train
Oh.
from Shanghai to Huzhou.
Oh, it's over the waters.
Yes, over the lake.
Over the lake.
Yeah, but it's still under construction.
Yeah.
Not finished.
Okay. Okay. I see you clear the ground there. What are you putting there? Skyscrapers there? They are open, that open area. So you can see below is another factory there. Oops, sorry. Okay.
New apartment.
New apartment. Is that a celebration?
Yes, maybe celebration.
Okay.
They got the new building.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. So this is the test tower, the tallest test tower for this brand. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. 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 So is that a jubilation?